Today I am going to show you how to use SUMIFS function on the Microsoft Excel formula. For your understanding, I made a sample data for various Samsung phones sales to various countries. Suppose Samsung S20 to India on 1500, Samsung S10 sales to America 2000, Samsung S20 FE to United Kingdom on 1750. So I made a box here. So here I want to know what is the total sale of S20, what is the sale of Samsung S10, what is the sale of S20 FE and M31. So I will give here, click here and enter the is equal to SUMIFS and click on the SUMIFS and select the total amount of column. So I will select the amount column and enter the comma and select for the search criteria. So I want to know various sales of S20, S10, S20 FE. So I will select this column, again enter comma and click here S20 for example. Click here and enter. So you can see here the amount is 3000. S20 sale is 3000. Let's check. S20 is 1500 and here on 1500 total is 3000. Again is equal to SUMIFS, the amount column, comma, the search criteria, I want the model number, and comma, the S10. So you can see it's 4000. Let's check it. S10 sales 2000, S10 2000, it's 4000, and you can copy the remaining questions to the S20 FE and M31. Here you can see it's automatically come. Again you can change the search criteria for suppose I want to know various sales to India, United States, UK. So I will change this again is equal to SUMIFS, select the amount column, comma, here we will change the search criteria column to country of order because we want to know what is the sales of various countries. So I will select the country of order, again enter comma. For example, I will select India. You can see on 1500. Let's check India on 1500. Again SUMIFS, amount column, comma, the column for search criteria, that is country of order, comma, United States, it's 3000. Let's check 2000 and 1000, and you can copy this formula to remaining columns. Here you can see UAE 2000, Poland 1000. Let's check Poland 1000. So that's all. Hope you understand. Thank you very much for your information. If you have any queries, you can mention it on